Yeah, look at the birds. The birds are coming. A lot of birds are coming. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, birds. Amazing birds po yan. Ayan po ay dumadaan yan dito. Pakarami po yan. God bless. Good morning. What a wonderful day. Today is Tuesday, January 15, 2019. Happy New Year. Tomorrow is my mother's birthday. As you could see, birds are coming. Immigrating, parang yung sa San Diego. Anong pangalan ng birds na yon that travels hundreds and thousands of miles? Ooh, God bless. Sorsogon prayer camp. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. More birds are coming. My favorite buko, Tree of Life. Very soon we are going to see the King. Hallelujah. Soon and very soon. Cathedral of Church yata yun.